Indian School Sohar virtually celebrates 151st birthday of Mahatma Gandhi on 2nd of October, which is also observed as the International Day of Non-Violence. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, also known as Bapu, Mahatma, Rashtrapita, Father of the Nation, was born in Porbandar of Gujarat and took his last breath on January 30, 1948. He was married to Kasturba Gandhi. Now, let's look at some little known facts about Bapu. He was given the title Mahatma by the Nobel Prize winning poet Rabindranath Tagore. There are 53 major roads in India and 48 roads outside India named after Mahatma Gandhi. More than 70 countries have erected his statues. These are a few of the countries: Belgium, Canada, France, Germany, Iran, Jordan, Netherlands, South Africa, Spain, Turkey, UK, USA, etc. These are few of his statues. He was a great writer. The collected works of him have more than 50,000 pages. Some of his books are My Experiments with Truth, Way to God, India of My Dreams, Village Swaraj, etc. In 1931, he was the Time Magazine Man of the Year. He used to converse with renowned people from various fields such as Leo Tolstoy, Albert Einstein, Charlie Chaplin, and even Adolf Hitler through letters. While in South Africa, he set up a colony named Tolstoy Farm near Johannesburg. This is the original photograph of Mahatma Gandhi, which is portrayed on the banknotes of India. The photograph was cropped and flipped. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, the icon of peace, has been honored by over 100 countries by issuing postage stamps. We can see few of the stamps here. Now, we are about to see some moments of Gandhiji's life captured along his various phases. These are from his childhood days. Here, the first photograph is when Gandhiji was a law student. The second one was captured in London and the third one in South Africa. These are the photographs of Mahatma Gandhi with his wife Kasturba Gandhi. In South Africa, he was practicing as an attorney. He was a member of Voluntary Ambulance Corps in Britain. On the left, we can see Mahatma Gandhi arriving at 10 Downing Street in London. And on the right, we see him and his wife with the famous Charlie Chaplin. Mahatma Gandhi with his fans and with a group of children at Kinsley Hall, London. Gandhiji on his way to meeting and with the Viceroy Lord Mountbatten and his wife. Gandhiji loved spending time with children. Here we can see him with one of his grandsons. Gandhiji on his way to a prayer gathering and receiving donation in a train compartment. During the famous Dandi March or Salt March, which was an act of non-violent civil disobedience in colonial India. The first photograph was taken in France when he, along with Sarojini Naidu, was going to meet the world leaders in London. The second one is him with the members of Indian National Congress in Gujarat. Gandhiji with Maulana Abul Kalam Azad and with his old friend Nawab of Dehra. Here we can see Gandhiji using his famous charkha or spinning wheel. Sevagram is a small village near Wardha. Mahatma Gandhi set up what eventually became an ashram in the outskirts of the village. His granddaughters Abha and Manu were very dear to him. In 1959, Gandhi Memorial Museum was established in the city of Madurai in Tamil Nadu. The museum comes under the Peace Museums Worldwide, selected by the United Nations organizations. This day, the 2nd of October, has a special significance all over the world. The International Non-Violence Day is observed on the same day as Mahatma Gandhi's birthday. In January 2004, Iranian Nobel laureate Shirin Ebadi had taken a proposal for an International Day of Non-Violence. On 15 June 2007, the United Nations General Assembly voted to establish 2nd October, Mahatma Gandhi's birthday, as the International Day of Non-Violence. To conclude, let us take an oath to support truth without fear and prejudice, to oppose all forms of communalism, casteism, chauvinism, and to work for promoting harmony, goodwill, and peace in the world.